Okay, be honest. Have you ever seen those ads? You know the ones, right? They promise you'll be like rolling in dough, working for the beach, just a few hours a week.
Oh, yeah,
And
totally.
it's tempting, right? Especially when they dangle that passive income carrot, making money while you sleep. Who wouldn't want that?
It's hard to resist.
But then that little voice pipes up in your head, right? The one that says,
Too big to be true.
exactly.
Yeah.
And that's why today we're diving into a system that's been making rounds, the bullet cash method.
Hmm.
They say it's a fast track to get this daily passive income through something called affiliate marketing.
Okay.
Now, it sounds pretty sweet, right? But we're going to break it all down, figure out if it's really worth your time.
Definitely. Let's demystify this whole affiliate marketing thing first.
Hey, yeah, good idea.
It's basically like being a digital matchmaker. You connect people with products they need, and when they buy through your special link, you get a commission.
So no creating products, no dealing with like shipping and stuff.
Nope. That's the beauty of it. You're leveraging other people's products, just using your skills to promote them.
Okay, I get it. But what makes this bullet cash method different? They're all about making money passively, even if you don't spend a dime up front or have an audience. Is that even, like, possible?
Well, the passive income idea is definitely alluring, right? And it's technically possible to earn without spending on ads. Think of it like building a following on social media and weaving in recommendations for products you genuinely love.
Okay.
But let's be real, building a loyal audience takes time. It takes effort and consistent work.
So it's not just like posting a few links and watching the cash roll in.
Not quite, no. You need to build trust. You have to create valuable content, right? And strategically position those affiliate links.
So there's definitely work involved, even if you're using like free methods to get your message out.
Absolutely. It's not set it and forget it. It's more like tending a garden, right? You plant the seeds, you nurture them, and you have to be patient before you see those flowers bloom.
Okay, I like that. The garden analogy. So this bullet cash method source material, they claim you don't even need an audience to start earning, like right away, even without a following. What do you think about that?
Hmm. Well, it's true. You don't need a massive pre-existing audience to see success. You could, for example, focus on driving traffic straight to a product using things like, SEO, search engine optimizations.
Oh, so when someone searches for like a product on Google, your link pops up.
Exactly. If your content ranks high, you start getting clips, potentially earning commissions, even without a huge social media following or email list.
Interesting. But wouldn't you still need to like put in the work to optimize your content to get it ranking high?
Oh, absolutely. SEO is a long game. It takes time and effort to understand keywords, structure your content right, and build authority for those search engines.
So not exactly passive then, huh?
Not in the short term, no. It's an investment. Like anything worth having, it takes time.
Okay, so we've established even with free traffic methods, there's still work involved. But this bullet cash method is all about being simple, beginner friendly. They claim anyone can achieve results, even if you've never made a dime online before. Realistic.
It's accessible to beginners, yes. But let's not sugarcoat it. There is a learning curve. Even if they have a step-by-step plan, you need to understand the basics, right? How to choose the right products, promote them to the right people.
And wouldn't you still need some basic, like, tech skills, even if they say no tech skills required?
Oh, for sure. You'll at least need to know how to navigate online platforms. Setting up those tracking links, maybe create basic landing pages. You don't need to be coding, but you need to be comfortable with the basic, internet marketing tools.
Okay, so we've, like, touched on the core concepts, poked a few holes in this idea of it being completely passive or effortless. But let's dig into some specific claims from this bullet cash method. They toss around phrases like daily passive income, results even if you're a total beginner, and no selling, no cold messaging. What are your thoughts on those? Just like initial reactions.
Well, daily passive income, that definitely grabs your attention. Experienced affiliate marketers might see that, sure, but someone just starting out, especially relying on free traffic methods, it's unlikely. Remember, building an audience and optimizing takes time.
So the daily part, maybe a little exaggerated.
You have to manage expectations. You might see some earnings early on, but consistent daily income, it's more of a long-term goal, requires consistent effort, optimization.
And what about, like, the results? Even if you're a total beginner claim, we've already said there's a learning curve, right?
Exactly. Affiliate marketing is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time and practice to master. Even with a step-by-step plan, you have to exist the time and effort to learn the ropes. Apply what you learn.
So it's not a plug-and-play solution.
Not really, no. You have to be actively involved, even if they have shortcuts or templates.
Okay, makes sense. And what about no selling, no cold messaging? How do they square that with, actually promoting products? trying to get people to buy.
I think it's a bit of a marketing tactic, right? Appealing to people who hate traditional sales. You might not be hard selling or cold calling, but you're still subtly persuading people to check out products, to buy through those affiliate links.
So it's more about building trust,
Mm-hmm.
providing value, and then like strategically weaving in those recommendations.
Yeah, exactly. Finding that balance between helpful content and like subtly guiding people towards a purchase that benefits both of you.
Okay, I'm starting to see how this all works, but I'm still curious about the specifics of this bullet cash method. Do they lay out a clear plan, or is it all kind of vague in general?
That's a great question. One we need to explore more. Let's dive into what they actually recommend and see if it lives up to the hype.
Yeah, let's unpack this bullet cash method step by step, see what's really under the hood.
So this bullet cash method, they're big on free traffic sources, ways to get people to see your affiliate links without, paying for ads.
Like social media, SEO, maybe email marketing.
Exactly. They lean heavily on SEO, which, makes sense.
Yeah.
If you can get your content ranking high in those search results, you get a steady stream of targeted traffic without paying a dime for ads.
Ah, okay.
But like we said earlier, SEO, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
It's not a quick fix.
No way. Takes time to research the right keywords, create that high-quality content, and optimize it for those search engines. Plus, algorithms, they're always changing. You got to keep up with the latest best practices.
So even though it's a free traffic source, there's still that time investment, that effort.
Oh, absolutely. Nothing's truly free, right? You're either investing time, money, or, let's be real, probably both.
True, true. So what about their SEO strategy specifically? Do they actually tell you how to do it, like concrete steps?
That's where it gets a little fuzzy. They mention profitable niches and keywords, but they don't really get into the nitty-gritty, the keyword research, on-page optimization, all that.
So they're kind of skipping over the details. Like if I'm totally new to SEO, I might be a little lost.
Yeah, possibly. I think they're aiming for people who want that quick and easy solution, so they might be simplifying it to make it sound more appealing.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So SEO is the main thing for traffic. What about social media? They mention it, but then also say their method works without social media. Isn't that kind of contradictory?
It does seem a little confusing. My guess is they're trying to attract those who are intimidated by social media, right? Or maybe had a bad experience with it before.
So they're saying it's an option, but you can also succeed without it.
Seems that way. But honestly, in today's world, ignoring social media completely is like trying to sail a boat without a rudder.
You're missing out on a huge audience.
Exactly. Social media is so powerful for building those relationships, establishing your brand, driving traffic to those affiliate offers.
So even if they're not pushing it, it's probably smart to use it, right? As part of your strategy.
Definitely. Don't limit yourself to just one traffic source, especially when you're starting out. Branch out. Explore different ways to reach your audience.
Love that. So we've got SEO, social media. Any other traffic strategies they mention?
They touch on email marketing.
Oh, okay.
Build an email list, send regular emails promoting your affiliate stuff.
Does that still work? I thought email was like old school.
It might seem that way, but it's still one of the best ways to connect with your audience and drive sales.
How come?
Because with email, you're talking directly to people who are already interested. They signed up for your email, so they're way more likely to be receptive to your message, right?
Yeah, that makes sense. So it's not just about blasting out like random promos. It's about building those relationships, giving your subscribers something valuable.
Exactly. Nurturing those relationships, becoming that trusted force of information.
Okay, so we've got traffic generation down. What about actually choosing and promoting those affiliate products? Any guidance there?
They do give some advice on picking profitable niches and finding products that fit your interests, your expertise.
Important, right? You got to be passionate about what you're promoting.
Oh, yeah, totally. Authenticity is key. People can smell a fake a mile away. If you're genuinely excited, that'll show in your content, your marketing, everything.
But how do you know if a niche is profitable? I wouldn't even know where to begin.
Well, there are a few things to consider. First, is there a large and engaged audience? People actively searching for information and products.
So something people are passionate about.
Exactly. And are there quality affiliate products available in that niche? Products you believe in with good commission rates.
So you're not just like randomly promoting anything. You're being strategic, building a business you can be proud of.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've talked about traffic, picking products. What about the actual promoting part, the nuts and bolts?
They mention a few tactics: product reviews, comparison articles, tutorials.
So like helpful content that shows the benefits.
Exactly. You provide value, position yourself as a trusted expert, that kind of thing.
But how do you get people to actually click those links and buy?
Ah, that's the art of persuasion. You need compelling calls to action, highlight the benefits, and address any doubts they might have.
So it's not just like throwing links everywhere. You're strategically weaving them in, guiding people towards making that purchase.
Right. Finding that sweet spot between helpful info and that subtle encouragement to take action.
Got it. But I'm still kind of hung up on the passive income thing. There's a lot of active work here, right? Building an audience, creating content, promoting.
True, it's not passive in the sense that you can just set it and forget it, but you can build a system that generates income with less hands-on effort over time.
How so?
Think about it. Once you've got a solid foundation, a website, social media with valuable content, that content keeps attracting traffic, earning commissions, even when you're not actively working on it.
So, like, you build a machine that works for you, even when you're not there.
Exactly. It takes work to build it, but once it's running, it can generate results while you're sleeping, traveling, whatever.
Okay, I like that way of looking at it. But what about those algorithms? Don't they always change things up?
They do. That's why staying informed is key. Adapting your strategies, putting in the work to maintain and optimize your online presence.
So it's not a one-time thing.
Nope. It's a continuous process. Learning, experimenting, refining.
Okay, that's a good, realistic perspective. So we've covered a lot: traffic, products, content. But what about the other parts of a successful affiliate business?
There are a few more key pieces to talk about, like tracking results, analyzing data, building relationships with your audience.
All super important, I bet. Let's get into those next. Okay, so we've talked about getting people to your site, right? Picking the right products.
Right.
But I'm guessing it doesn't stop there. How do you actually, like, turn those clicks into actual money?
That's where tracking comes in, data analysis. It's like having a financial dashboard for your affiliate business, you know?
Okay,
You need to see what's working, what's not, where those commissions are coming from.
I get why that's important, but numbers and me, not really friends. What kind of data should we be looking at?
Okay, imagine you have a real store, a brick and mortar.
Yeah,
You'd want to know what's selling, what displays are catching people's eyes, right?
yeah.
Same idea online.
So, like, how many people are clicking our links, where they're coming from, and how many actually buy something?
Exactly, and there are tools for that. You can see which blog posts, which social media updates are bringing in the most traffic, which products are converting best, even what time of day your audience is most active.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. So you're not just guessing, you're using data to, like, make smart decisions.
Exactly. Data helps you refine your approach. You double down on what's working, ditch what's not. It's like having a secret weapon to boost those earnings.
Okay, you've convinced me. Data analysis is officially cool. But let's shift gears a bit. This bullet cash method, they're big on building relationships. Why is that so important for affiliate marketing?
Trust, plain and simple. Would you buy something from some random person? Or from a friend who's given you good advice before?
A friend, definitely.
Same online. People see tons of ads. But if they feel like they know you, trust your judgment, they're way more likely to consider what you recommend.
So it's not just about, like, plastering affiliate links everywhere. It's about building a community.
Right. Engaging with people, responding to comments, being part of discussions, showing you're a real person, not just trying to sell them something.
Got it. But how do you do that online? It feels different than, like, in-person interactions.
It takes work, but it's doable. Be authentic. Share your experiences, your insights, even your struggles. People connect with realness, you know?
So don't be afraid to, like, let your personality show.
Exactly. And don't underestimate listening. Pay attention to what your audience is saying, their questions, feedback. Use that to create content that really resonates.
Okay, that's super helpful. So we've covered a lot: traffic, products, building relationships. But this bully cash method also has those bonuses, right?
They do, yeah, like a blueprint for YouTube, a guide for making $100 a day, underground traffic methods.
Wow. Sounds tempting. Do you think they're actually worthwhile? Or just like marketing hype?
Hard to say without seeing them. They could be amazing, packed with info that goes beyond the main method.
Yeah.
Or it could be generic stuff, you know, repackaged info you could find for free.
So it's a bit of a gamble.
Kind of, but always approach those bonuses with a critical eye. Does it align with your goals? Is it something you actually need? Don't just grab something because it's free. Focus on the value.
Good point. Well, I think we've really dissected this bullet cash method, explored affiliate marketing, looked at their claims, the good and the bad. So, final verdict. Is it legit or just another one of those get-rich-quick schemes?
I'd say it's somewhere in the middle. Affiliate marketing is a real business. People make a good living from it. But it's no magic bullet, right? Takes work, dedication, and a willingness to keep learning. adapting.
So not for those who want it easy.
Nope, it's a business. You need that mindset, that commitment to build something that lasts.
I like that. So to everyone out there considering this bullet cash method, think critically, manage those expectations, and be ready to work.
Right. And don't be afraid to get help along the way. Courses, mentorship, communities, tons of resources out there.
True. Don't try to do it alone. Find your people, support each other.
Well said. And, most importantly, enjoy the journey. It should be challenging, but also rewarding. Celebrate your wins, learn from those mistakes, and keep that passion alive.
Perfect way to end it. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. Hope you found it useful. And as always, check out our other videos for more tips and inspiration on your online business journey. Thanks for watching. CHEO.